We are going to do a different exercise now. Animals and birds, their sounds you should know. I give you 3 different words and you choose the best that fits the best. And that's the exercise we are going to do. Okay. Now, choose the one which fits best. Choose. Choose the one. Which fits best. From the bracket, okay? Choose the one that fits best from the brackets. And that's what we're going to do now. It's a very interesting exercise. Look, the first we have here, beetles. We have beetles and you have sound, hiss, buzz, drawn. So you choose the best. Second we have pigs. Pigs croak, grunt, squeak. Frogs. You have frogs bark, grunt, frogs croak. Bears. Bears howl, growl, roar. Snakes. Snakes hum, hiss, murmur. Owls. Owls hoot, scream, screech. You have bulls. What do the bulls do? Bulls snarl, bellow, and trumpet. Then we have geese. Geese crow. Geese quack. And geese cackle. Then we have asses. Asses bleat. Asses bleat, neigh, and bray. Then we have here elephants. Elephants bellow, trumpet, and roar. We have parrots. Parrots scream. They scream, screech, and squeal. And then we have airplane. What do the airplanes do? Buzz, soar, and zoom. Now, we have 12 items I have given you, and we have 3 words. We should know what each does. What does the beetle do? When you say beetle, you don't say beetle make the sound hiss. No, you don't say beetle drone. You will say beetles buzz. Buzz, they make a big noise. So what the beetle do? The beetles buzz. Pigs, what is the noise the pig make? Pig grunts. You won't say pig croak, pig squeaks. You don't say. The pigs grunt. They make a noise there. Frogs, you don't say frogs bark. You don't say frogs grunt. You say the frogs croak. Very good. Next one. Bears. What do the bears do? What do the bears do? Bears normally howl, roar, they growl. The bears howl. Not they don't growl, they don't roar. The bears howl. You will see the howling of the bears. And the next we have snake. Everybody knows you don't say snakes hum, snake murmur. The snake hiss. They'll make. Next we have owls. What do the owls do? Do they scream or they screech? No. Owls hoot. Hooting of the owls in the forest. Bulls. What do the bulls do? The bulls normally there is snarl, trumpet, no, bellow. The deep voice the bull has, the bellow. Then the geese, what do the geese do? The geese cackle. We normally say the geese are cackling. You don't say geese crow or quack. Asses, what do the asses do? The asses normally bray. Now look at that. Beetles buzz, pigs grunt, frogs croak, bears howl, snake hiss, owls hoot, bulls bellow, geese cackle, asses bray. And we have some more here. Elephant, what do the elephant do normally? Elephant bellow, elephant roar, no. Elephant trumpet. Elephant trumpet. And parrots, what do the parrots do? The parrots, normally the parrot screech. Did you hear the screeching of the parrot? They will say an airplane zooms in the sky. Zoom, it will go. So, we have 3 verbs to choose from and we are chosen correctly. Elephants, trumpet, parrot, screech, airplane, zoom, beetles, buzz, pigs, grunt, frogs, croak, bears, howl, snakes, hiss, owls, hoot, bulls, bellow, geese, cackle, asses, bray, elephants, trumpet, parrots, screech, and airplane zooms in the sky. So we learned to choose the correct verbs from the brackets.